policeman for last 30 years, I have seen that this is a problem which finally lands in the hands of police persons, finally. Because as we have seen, when society starts abdicating, family starts abdicating, society starts abdicating, neighbor starts abdicating, it is the police which starts doing its duties. When I was the Deputy Commissioner of Police in Bangalore City in 2002-2003, there was a spate of murders of senior citizens carried out by the dreaded Dandupalya gang, which used to come and ask for water. And they used to ask a woman used to come and say that my child is here, I am doing labor and we want some water. And normally in our Indian custom, if anybody asks for water, they will go out of their way and give water. So they used to push inside, kill the senior citizens, and with lot of barbarity they used to kill. So the then Commissioner of Police, Mr. Mariswamy, and we all had a meeting, and we started mapping where senior citizens stay. This was 20 years ago. In the year 2019 and 2020, I was Commissioner of Police, Bangalore City. 12,686 victims, old age persons are victims of different crimes in Bangalore City. That is almost about 18% of the crimes committed, so happened to be. And if we go back in statistics, which I don't want to bore you with, it used to be 5%, 10%, come to 18%, probably in 21 it will become 20%, 21%, because they are a very vulnerable lot, extremely vulnerable lot. So you see, various other businesses are coming along with geriatrics over there. And I'm very happy that a very illustrious gathering is present here, and Shilpi and team have taken a lot of initiative, and I'm very delighted that Mrs. Radha Murthy is here, with whom we all work together as Commissioner of Police. And this is something which is an inescapable thing. We all are going to reach there. Are we ready, or is someone else ready, is the need. We have to prepare ourselves and also prepare others also, so that they receive us when we go over there. How I should be prepared is there, as like Madam said, I should learn not to expect. When we think that we are investing in love, we feel that we are going to get more love, or like in a typical financial transaction, if I invest a little bit, I'll get more than this. But this is not like that. You may give more and get very, very less, or you may not get anything, or you may get the reverse of what you are going to get, like what we saw in the movie.
Yes, Bhagavad Gita told we should not expect. Do your duty, don't expect. And when the DIG of police was speaking, we did a small experiment called CAP, Child and Police, in Hyderabad, where police was involved in training the drivers. We created a program called Dial a Driver, only exclusively for elderly care, so that the safety of elderly are taken care. So this is something which we can do. The second thing,
ಹಿರಿಯರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೃದ್ಧರು, ಅವರ ಜೀವನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಧಾರಿತವಾದಂಥದ್ದು. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಈ ದೇಹ ಅನ್ನೋದು ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಅವಲಂಬನೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಕಳೆದ ಅನೇಕ ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಶ್ಚಾತ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೌಟುಂಬಿಕ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳೇನು ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಿರಿಯರು, ಅವರು ಅನೇಕ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅನೇಕ ಬಾರಿ ಅವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಂಥ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ 12,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನ ಹಿರಿಯರು, ವೃದ್ಧರು ಕೇಸನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿದ್ದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶೋಷಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗುವಂತಹ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ
Poonam is a part of Karista Foundation, which is about caring for artists and the aged. We created this film after a lot of thought and research that went into finding out what is happening to the elderly people, because we're all aging, we're all going to be there. how well are we learning from our elders, and how well are we teaching our children. Okay, so there were a lot of incidents like the one that I quoted some time back on the stage, that there was this old lady from a very good family. She was found unconscious on a railway platform many years back by one of my connections, and somebody left her there. She was unconscious. Nobody came to pick her up in spite of filing an FIR, missing report. And then she died at the hospital table. And that person who knew nothing about her actually did all the cremation work. So what are we doing to the elderly people? Are we realizing that we are all going towards that same stage? We'll be old ourselves one day. Do we want to be treated like this? We need to sensitize the society completely, devoid of any demographic barriers. No age, no gender, no caste, no creed, no cultural backgrounds. It's humanity. We are all going there. What are we leaving behind for our children to understand their responsibilities towards their elders? What are we teaching them? So this film was shot in Nainital, and we were very happy to have Rajit Kapoor and Meeta Vasisht play the protagonist role. And I think they brought both the characters, Suraj and Poonam, alive, completely alive. I don't think so we could have had better actors doing justice to the role. And for me, they are Poonam and Suraj. They personify the characters.